everyone, welcome to African Nut Food. Today we have something special for you guys. We have our special base spice that we're going to make, freezing, and use it anytime that we're cooking. Yeah, so what we have here, we have this one for chicken, for meat, for anything else that you want here. So we have 2 Scotch bonnets, onion, garlic, tomatoes, green pepper and yellow pepper, and we have celery here, and also onion, spring onions, also green onion. And then here we have parsley, we have lemon, and we have thyme and grated lime or lemon. And here we have 1 Maggi and 1 jumbo chicken, lemon juice, and half a cup of oil, olive oil. Here, that is for the chicken. And here for the rice, any type of rice that you're using that you want to use spice in it, this is what I use. I have clove, thyme, red pepper, yellow pepper, and green pepper, garlic, and parsley. This one I'm going to use for my rice. I'll show you later. So let's start it and start. So first of all, my hands are washed. So I'm going to put my ginger first. Here, Scotch bonnet, tomatoes, just 1 medium-sized tomatoes. Yeah. And then the green pepper, bell pepper, and the yellow one, and the garlic, celery, everything really goes in, everything will go in anyways. I'm going to blend all this, and there. My lemon. Squeeze. That's it. So one lemon, yeah. And that's it. And the thyme, grated lime and lemon. Yeah. And the oil. Okay, and the Maggi and the jumbo chicken also. Or if you don't want any Maggi or jumbo, you can use salt. It's up to you. It's for your taste. So that's it. Now I'm gonna blend this first, and then I will add the parsley. Blending. So I'm gonna add the parsley into it. There. And let's go and blend this. So this is how our blend spice look like. I'm gonna add this into my measuring cup. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this ice cube thing and then put them in there and freeze and freeze them. So anytime that I need, I'll just take 1 out or 2, and then I'll just use for my cooking. So this is how I'm gonna add 1 here. That's for the large one. Another one here. Oops, sorry, it's going over the place. And then that's it. And here. lemon. Yeah, a bit here. On top of that one as well. And then I'm gonna do the little ones and I'll show you how it is. Yeah, so this is the result of our spices in the freezer. They are freeze now, so now we're going to leave them in these bags and put it back in the freezer. So every time I need to use it, I just take it and use it. So let's go. This one comes off, and that, they look like cupcakes, don't they? Heart-shaped cupcakes. And that's it. So this one is for my chicken. For any meat that I'm going to use, I'll just take one of that and use it. So it's going here in the bag. Go inside the freezer. Okay, this one bag. That's it there. So I'm going to do the next one. The small ones. These ones are for rice, when you're cooking rice, or when you're cooking any, like even pasta. If you want to put it in your pasta as well, it's not bad, you can use it. Or even in your stew still, you can use it as well. I think this one is going in there as well. So it's for people that don't have time to use all these stuff. Students, people busy working, moms and dads. Yeah, you can use this. So this is it. So we have one chicken here, and then we have for rice or pasta. Yeah, you put it in your freezer as long as you want. Yeah, but mostly that will last me for about a month or two. Yeah, so this is it. So try, let me know how it goes, and please comment, share, like, subscribe, and let me know, please. Thank you. Bye bye.